Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make toffee sauce at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Accurate measurements are key to achieving that perfect, rich toffee flavor and smooth consistency. This foundational step ensures a delightful outcome for your homemade treat. Now combine your butter and sugar in a medium saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat. Stir these ingredients constantly until the butter is fully melted and the sugar has completely dissolved. This process should take about 5 to 7 minutes. It is crucial to keep the heat gentle to prevent the sugar from crystallizing or burning, ensuring a smooth, golden base for your sauce. Once the sugar is dissolved, increase the heat slightly to bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it bubble for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring only occasionally. You will notice the sauce begin to thicken and transform into a rich, golden amber color. This simmering stage develops the deep, complex toffee flavor we all love, so be patient and watch it carefully. Finally, remove the saucepan from the heat. Carefully pour in the heavy cream and the vanilla extract, whisking continuously until everything is thoroughly combined. The sauce will become wonderfully smooth and luscious. Allow it to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. You can store this delicious homemade toffee sauce in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.